Hi, and welcome to Season 5 of How to Reinvent. I'm Annie Hancock, Director of Brand and Creative.
And I'm Kelly Schultz, the head of AI and ML events.
So Kelly and I are back for Season 5, and if this is your first season of tuning in, a little background on how this series came to be. We started to hear feedback from customers with questions they had about the conference or how they should think about building their schedules or what things they should do at reInvent. And we wanted a chance to talk directly to you all. Kelly and I have worked on reInvent for many, many years, too many to tell you. And we have all of the inside scoop. So these episodes will be all about our tips and tricks, insider knowledge, ways to think about planning your week, why you should do certain things and maybe not others. So that's what these shows are going to be all about.
Yeah, absolutely. We want you guys to be able to be successful when you come to reInvent. And that means knowing when to register, how to do your content, all the things that you mentioned, Annie. So registration is now open. So we really want to recommend that you guys get out there and register for the event. We did sell out last year and had to close down registrations. So we want everybody to get in early. We also know that a lot of you come in really large groups. And when you do that, you want to be able to try to stay at the same hotels so that you guys can be near each other. So you want to register now in order to be able to get a hotel and to get our discounts, right? There's discounts available with our hotels. And if you miss out on booking, then you can't get the discounts. So we want to make sure you get out there and get that done.
Yeah, I mean, you can wait until the last minute. We had some people who tried to wait till the last minute last year. I had some people who had flights booked, but not a reInvent ticket. So I think the lesson learned is book your ticket. You can go on our website, look at our FAQs. That's where our cancellation policy is. So even if you're not 100% sure what your world is going to look like in November, our recommendation is book now. Like Kelly said, those big groups of you all who want to stay together. We've got a ton of hotels across the campus, lots of different price ranges for people. So right now is the chance to book and get everything sorted out. Don't wait because we definitely expect there to be maybe some short supplies on things.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so we know not every one of you will be able to join us in Vegas this year. So Kelly, tell us what our virtual options are.
Yes, that's right. We do have a full virtual program again this year. Registration is free. It includes access to the keynotes, the leadership sessions, and our breakout content as well. The 60-minute sessions that take place, those will be provided throughout the week on a rolling basis and available for you guys to go ahead and view and watch at your leisure.
Great.
So we're super excited to be able to offer that option because we know not everyone can get to Vegas.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thanks for joining us. We've got a bunch of episodes coming out over the summer that'll really be the intro to how to reinvent. And then stay tuned in the fall. We'll have a bunch more episodes that'll really get into the nitty-gritty of how to reinvent, how to plan your schedule, plan your week. But in the short term, make sure you get registered. And thanks for joining us.
Yes, thanks.